On 2222 public service announcement. Oh, okay. This is the first episode of our diary, I guess, and actually our traveling diary. So, this it's not really a series. It's just a compilation of videos I'm creating to uh, I guess remind myself of the things I went through, and it's just like a simple diary. Like instead of writing everything down, I'm just, I guess, videotaping it, but electronically. I guess like I'm not like taking a camera and filming myself. I'm just uh, filming this in the planning and everything. I don't know. Like I'm just thought of it, an idea. Uh, this will be the first episode. Let's talk about the trip that I'm currently planning, which is touching every ocean in the world. Uh, it's gonna be it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something. So this is the Notion page, which I created. Like I'll add other things and I'll try to plan it out and everything. I'll make it perfect. Since I'm a perfectionist. Anyway, that this trip is inspired by my odd self and my weird nature of challenging myself and thinking new ideas, I guess. And this journey also is to find myself again. And throughout this journey or this trip, I'll test myself and test my limits and also do things I don't ever think I'd do if you asked me a year ago. So just to find myself, and after all these years of being lost and being felt like cannot translate my thoughts into words. Instead, I'm just keeping the burden on my heart and my mind. So I'm just trying to understand why my emotions are like that, or it's portrayed the way it is now, and improve on it, I guess. And also to find my purpose, I guess. I don't know. It's like it's more fun for self-reflection journey. At the same time, it's a fun time. Come on, who wouldn't have fun traveling? Anyway, so the nature of this challenge, I guess, or this journey or this trip, is to touch every ocean on Earth. Um, there is other tasks and moves we'll get into, but generally this is the idea, or this is the challenge, I guess. Touching every ocean on Earth. There is challenges and other problems we might face, I guess. So like I'm writing it here, and I'll share this notion later. I'm writing it here, the challenges we'll face in the general logistics, the visa processing and possible visa rejection, logistics and cost related issues, I guess. The logistics, this is not an issue, this is more like a solution to the cost related problem, which is uh, trying to get like stay on budget, I guess, because like you are traveling like all over the world, so like of course it will be costly for visa fees, flights, stays, blah blah blah, all this stuff, and logistics, the visa processing, possible visa rejection, everything on the road. You never know. You never know. You never know. Technical issues, which is like the technicality of the challenge itself. Um, for example, the Southern Ocean, technically it's in like like the ocean that's around Antarctica. So if like I cannot go to any, I guess, city that's in the actual vicinity of the Southern Ocean, then that will be a very big problem because we need to book a damn Antarctic expedition, which should cost us a lot of money. I'm just worried even thinking about it now. Also, the nearest coastlines or in the middle of the ocean. Let me explain this. For example, let's take this Australia, Perth. Now, this city, if you see it in the map, this is the Indian Ocean here, okay? And this is Perth. So, like, most likely, like, like in Australia, this is like the closest point to the Indian Ocean, okay? But the problem is the Indian Ocean counted here in the middle, or it will be on the coastlines itself. So this is the problem. This is the problem. Like I'm thinking about like how to actually how to actually solve this technical issue. Like if like we count the coastlines, like the beaches itself, or like we need to go into inside the actual vicinity of the ocean. So we'll see. Like if we can do the other one, which is in the middle of the ocean, then go back. That would be ideal. I mean, but we stay on a budget, so we don't treat YouTube or anything. So the physical and financial aspects or problems, cost of the trip, of course. We're flying all over the world, so it cost a lot. But I think I put a very good budget for it, so I think it will be covered. Sickness, fatigue, mental problems, just personal issues. You never know what happens. I guess. Rules and tasks, like rules. I still didn't put any rules, but for this challenge, so I'm just being, I guess, optimistic here. I put can't go to a country you visited before for this challenge. So thinking, like in the future if I did it again, I guess. So like part two, I need to go to a country that I didn't visit before in the previous challenge. Anyway, this doesn't matter now. So let's put it like this. So this is bullshit now. Like let's just forget about it. So the rules are actually don't know like what rules, but until now, let me see my notes. Maybe I have a rule or something. Mm, I'm seeing the tasks, and I think like some of the tasks gets counted as rules. So, what the fuck? Anyway, so let's just ignore this and just focus on the task. The task, like here, um, it's more like things I want to do to improve myself, and have an experience and such. So, have an actual conversation with 10 strangers, actual engaging conversation, no half-ass effort. I don't want anything like, hey, how are you? I'm good, how are you? I'm good. Oh, that doesn't count. So make a then each country ocean and do see something the country is famous for. Get in every mode of transport in the country. We'll try. We'll see like the list of modes of transport. Of course, like other countries are gonna have like new, not new, I guess unique modes of transport. Like for example, Thailand, which will have the tuk tuk. So yeah, this is the what you call, I don't know, you guys get it. Souvenirs from each country. This is like self-explanatory. Filling a small 15 milliliters bottle from each country. This one I'm considering it under consideration, so I'm leaning to do it just for memories. This one is so fucking stupid, but I like it. Spend one night in each country without actual accommodation booked. Oh, come on. Anyway, booked. Okay. Questionable, but we'll see. Uh, if you guys have any other tasks, more, I want just to get out of my comfort zone, I guess, and just face my fears. I'm not really a social guy at all. I lack every social skill in this fucking planet. So just give me suggestions. I'm open to anything. Um, so now this thing, like the moves and tasks and the challenges, like we will add them gradually. So this is not something that's set. We got over it, but we'll add a lot of things during the planning of the trip. The This is the most important thing. The countries that touch the five oceans. We have the five oceans, which is the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic. Okay, so here we have the countries that touch the actual, or like it's in the coastline of the ocean. We have Asia, we have Oceania, North America, Central and South America. And we have the Atlantic Ocean, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Indian Ocean, Africa, Asia, Oceania, Southern Ocean,